What's good, guys? Welcome back to Ron's Rise News. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video where today we're meeting the 2022 BMW iX, BMW's first bespoke electric SUV. Now, as promised, BMW has lifted the veils of its first bespoke electric SUV today, and we finally get to learn its name. Previously referred to as the iNext, the battery-powered SUV will be called simply BMW iX to highlight its importance in its brand's growing lineup of electric SUVs. Now, packing the latest innovations in the fields of electrification, automated driving, and connectivity, the BMW iX will also act as the brand's technology flagship. Now, with that in mind, BMW says that the design of the iX has been developed from the inside out, with the main goal of being to provide quality of life and well-being for drivers and passengers. Mind you, that doesn't mean the exterior design is an afterthought. On the outside, the BMW iX is set to reimagine the powerful proportions of the large BMW SAV. Now, with that said, the electric SUV is comparable to the BMW X5 in length and width, but has almost the same height as the X6 thanks to its flowing roofline. The oversized wheels, however, bring in mind the BMW X7. Now, the BMW iX shows how you can give new technologies to a very modern and emotional design. The car is technology complex, but it feels very clear and uncomplicated. And the BMW iX offers a mobile living space in which people can feel at ease, where the car's intelligence is only there when you need it. Now, the iX is BMW's first production vehicle with a hexagon steering wheel, for which the automaker says it improves ease of access and gives the driver a better view of information display. Another feature of the cabin that will catch your attention is the electric seat button console, which is now located on the floor panels. Also worth mentioning, the EV features the largest glass surface ever fitted in a BMW model. Now, powering the large SUV is BMW's 5th generation all-electric powertrain. In this case, it relies on 2 electric motors for a combined output of more than 500 horsepower or 375 kilowatts. Now, this should be enough to propel the iX from a standstill to 60 miles per hour or 100 kilometers per hour in under 5 seconds. And thanks to its massive 100 kilowatt battery, the family hauler should be capable of traveling up to 300 miles measured by the EPA's FTP 75 test procedure and 600 kilometers measured by Europe's WLTP. Bear in mind that all the numbers are not final and are based on the car's current stage of development. Now, the recharging capabilities of the iX sound even more impressive. DC fast charging at up to 200 kilowatts should allow the large EV to recharge up to 70% of its battery's capacity in 40 minutes. In addition, a quick 10-minute charge should add 75 miles or 120 kilometers to the range. Now, there's no word on the exact date of when the iX will reach the assembly lines, but BMW says the production should be beginning sometime in the second half of 2021, and the market launch schedule is at the end of 2021. So with that said, what do you guys think about the BMW iX? With it being the brand's first bespoke electric SUV, this is new innovation for the company, and this is going to be a big milestone marker as far as technology goes for the brand. So with that said, let me know your thoughts down below. And if you guys did enjoy this video today, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Giving it a thumbs up will help get it up in the rankings. More people can see it, and we can have a bigger discussion on the new 2022 BMW iX. Now, with that said, in case you guys want to help further support the channel, always check the links down below where I have a one-time link donation for my PayPal, Cash App, and Venmo. In case you guys want to donate $1 or $2 to the channel, you can also check out my Patreon subscription or check out the Ron's Rise merch. T-shirts, hoodies, stickers, everything Ron's Rise, half off this month of November. Black November sales or Black Friday sales all month long. Just use the coupon code BLKNOV. Now, with that said, you can also follow me on Facebook, Snapchat, Instagram. See everything I'm posting, car memes, videos, and pictures that don't always make it here to the channel. And make sure you subscribe, but click the notification bell after you subscribe so you can get these videos straight to your inbox and you do not miss one. With that said, you guys be blessed, have a great day, and we'll talk to you guys in the next Ron's Rise News video. Peace.